Time TV.
Be careful, I don't want to dig out your funeral van just yet.
Ah, here it is. Family tradition passed from this cotton.
How do you feel about becoming a great-granddad?
I've always been a great-granddad.
Dad's got a funeral van.
We both have pure cremation.
Oh, pure? Yeah, I know.
They're really popular.
Yes, definitely.
With Pure, they take care of the cremation and then you can arrange a service. It's a bit more us, more of a celebration.
That's why funeral plans are more affordable with Pure. So, leave more money for you.
Oh, little Ted. She'll love this.
Protect your family from big funeral bills with Britain's most trusted. More affordable for you, more free for your family. Pure Classic. Call our friendly team or go online to get your free quote now, and you'll get a free £50 gift card too.
When you leave a gift in your will to guide dogs, you can only imagine where it might lead. It might lead to a first school run and the joy of independence. It might lead to a first day at work and the confidence to break barriers. It might lead to the first day of freedom and a life lived to the full. Every 6 minutes in the UK, one more person loses their son. But you can help create a future where anyone with sight loss can live the life they choose. Your gift to guide dogs could lead anywhere. We're going for our first sport. But it will always lead towards a life transforming. To find out how you can make your life-changing will for free, call 0800 694 0800 or search online for Guide Dogs Free Wills.
Okay, we have no phone signal. We'll have to start rationing our food and be ready to deter any.
You know we have green flag, right? You can contact our breakdown service on your iPhone, even with no phone signal.
What?
Got my calendar.
Green flag's got you. Get £8 off at selected restaurants on Just Eat. Use code April8 now.
Did somebody say just eat?
We all love a bargain. Like these flatmates who switched to Vodafone and are now paying less for their full fibre broadband, which means they can still stream 2 shows at the same time.